Shal Housing here in Somerset in the southwest of England are launching a first of its kind new smart home scheme. For the first time in this new and exciting digital era, City Plumbing's Shal Housing, Vericon and ADEY are working together to improve the environment that residents live in, to look to improve the efficiency of their heating systems. So tell us a little bit more about the system.
Well, the Vericon and ADEY system enable us to make sure that the gas boiler and the whole gas system is as efficient and as effective as possible.
So what are you hoping to achieve from this scheme being implemented?
As a landlord, we can monitor the information that's coming from the system, which means that we can be proactive in terms of our maintenance instead of relying on the tenants, who are very, very busy, to pick up the phone and tell us that there's a problem.
Pat, you're a resident of Shal Housing. With the new technology that Vericon and ADEY have been utilising in your property, how do you feel that's going to benefit you as a resident?
I'm hoping it will help sort of utilise the efficiency of the house. And also, if it helps the environment, I'm up for it as well.
The Vericon technology is a three-step solution that allows Shal Housing to monitor the home environment.
Number one, we've got the boiler control module, or the BCM. So the BCM is the brains of the operation. It's wired into the boiler and looks at boiler telemetry. Number two, we have the autofill. So the autofill works alongside the BCM, and that gives us notifications about under pressure faults with the boiler. And then number three, we have the multi-dots. The multi-dots house sensors that monitor temperature and humidity, so they alert us to potential risks of damp and mould.
What's going on inside your heating system is often overlooked, but it's a major cause of boiler breakdown. ProCheck from ADEY is a digital water test giving us an instant overview of the health of residents' heating systems.
ADEY ProCheck is an app-based digital water test, so it tests for three criteria: inhibitor levels, corrosion and pH. So the results of that test allow the engineer to immediately take the requisite remedial action, which may include a MagnaCleanse system flush at the end of it.
Not only is this technology going to support residents in improving their energy efficiency across their heating systems, but it's also going to support them in improving their carbon footprint. Together, we can make a real difference.